United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 269, measures to achieve the basic objectives. In order to achieve the objectives referred to in Article 268, states, directly or through competent international organizations, shall endeavour, inter alia, to a. Establish programs of technical cooperation for the effective transfer of all kinds of marine technology to states which may need and request technical assistance in this field, particularly the developing landlocked and geographically disadvantaged states, as well as other developing states, which have not been able either to establish or develop their own technological capacity in marine science and in the exploration and exploitation of marine resources, or to develop the infrastructure of such technology. b. Promote favorable conditions for the conclusion of agreements, contracts, and other similar arrangements, under equitable and reasonable conditions. c. Hold conferences, seminars and symposia on scientific and technological subjects, in particular on policies and methods for the transfer of marine technology. d. Promote the exchange of scientists and of technological and other experts. e. Undertake projects and promote joint ventures and other forms of bilateral and multilateral cooperation.